Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about time management especially in IELTS and TOEFL exams and or in any kind of essay writing. Please subscribe to my channel and look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them and press bell icon and subscribe to my channel to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. You can see all of these topics I have covered in my essay writing course. We are at this time management. There are band descriptors, then general classes for essay writing, and then 8 types of essays. And then I have written 15 model essays. I will write more in next. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. In total you would be given in IELTS you will be given 1 hour for your complete writing module in IELTS. Out of 1 hour you should spend at least 40 minutes on task 2 essay because it worth double marks in writing module. In TOEFL you should spend 30 minutes for your independent essay. There is no strict rule for IELTS how you divide your time. This is your own time. 1 hour is your own. You can spend it as you wish and how you want. There are some general pieces of advice to manage and use your time efficiently and effectively. I would explain for IELTS essays. If you are a TOEFL student, you can adjust a bit. Overall, the pattern is same. When you see your essay question, first read it carefully. First of all, you should read it carefully. Then you should underline the keywords or main points. Then you should think about what the general topic is and what exactly the examiner is asking me to do. What is the specific topic, what is general topic, and what is the exact task. Then you should plan your essay. How to plan? You should brainstorm your ideas that come in your mind. Then you should choose relevant and appropriate ideas that you can extend. Decide what your opinion is. If you agree or disagree, if you think that there are more advantages than disadvantages, something like that, you should decide your opinion. Decide how many paragraphs you would write and what you would include in each paragraph. This part is the most brainstorm and planning is the most important one in your essay writing. I will make a complete separate video for this. For IELTS, I would suggest on average spend 5 minutes in reading question and planning. You can vary this time between 3 to 8 minutes depending upon your abilities and skills and preparation for the exam. If you have practiced a lot before the exam, then it would be easy for you to manage time, to think about ideas and planning in 4 or 5 minutes. So I would suggest you to do a lot of practice. For TOEFL students, you should spend, as you have 30 minutes in total, and you should spend at least write at least 300 words. So I would suggest you to spend 3 to 5 minutes in planning and reading question. It would be enough for you. Then you should start writing your essay. After planning, after reading the question and after brainstorming and then planning, you should start writing your essay. You should start your writing from introduction and then go paragraphs, then conclusion. It would take about 30 minutes in IELTS to write a complete essay and 21 to 24 minutes in TOEFL. and then at the end you should have some spare time for proofreading to have a look at your mistakes. In the last 3 to 5 minutes you must see uh, your general or common mistakes. You should proofread your essay and correct your mistakes. This step is very important. Sometimes you make silly mistakes. They are very for example subject verb agreement or fragments of sentences, something like that. You should make some silly mistakes when you are in hurry or under exam conditions. So when you proofread you can correct your mistakes. During your practice you should already know about your common mistakes, what mistakes are common in your own writing. If you make a list of your common mistakes during practice before the exam, it would be helpful for you to find these mistakes in the real exam also, so that you can correct them. Common things to overview in the last time are spelling mistakes, punctuation. These are very important. For example, full stop and comma, these are sometimes you miss them. Spelling mistakes are very important to spot at the final 2 or 3 minutes. Subject verb agreement is very important, very important. Some students write long sentences and they miss there is mismatch between their subject and verb because the sentence is long. Then you should see whether your subject agrees with the verb. Sentence fragments is a very common error. Sentence fragments, then when you start writing long sentences, then student make sentence fragments or any other another grammar mistakes that are common with you, and any other mistake that you used to make during your practice that you should proofread. This is an overview how you should spend your time in essay writing. Total time you should spend for IELTS essay is 40 minutes, and for TOEFL opinion essay or independent essay 30 minutes. Then you should plan. This is number one. This is number two. Then you should plan 3 to 8 minutes for planning in IELTS essay, and 3 to 5 minutes would be sufficient for planning in TOEFL essay. Writing the complete essay, then you should spend about 30 minutes in IELTS essay and 21 to 24 minutes in TOEFL essay. And at the end you should have spare time 3 to 5 minutes for proofreading in IELTS essay, and 2 to 4 minutes are sufficient for TOEFL essay, because in TOEFL you have in total 30 minutes and IELTS you have 40 minutes. So that 3 to 5 minutes for proofreading in IELTS and 2 to 4 minutes in TOEFL. Remember, these are just suggestions. There is no strict rule how to divide your time. These are very good and practical suggestions. You should consider following them appropriately according to your own situation. Remember, there is not any maximum limit of words for IELTS or TOEFL essays. However, there is a strict limit to write at least 250 words in IELTS essay and 300 in TOEFL independent writing task or TOEFL essay. So if you write less than 250 in IELTS or less than 300 in TOEFL, you will lose marks. But you can write above 250 in IELTS or about 300 in TOEFL. There is no problem if you write more words than minimum limit. If you write less than these minimum words, you will be penalized. You will lose your score. The more you practice before the exam, the easier it would be to write the essay within given time. At the end, I would talk about my writing correction service. I would start my writing correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would hire an IELTS expert from UK, a native English teacher as expert. We would both work together to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID, this one. my Facebook ID. You can send me a friend request. You can ask me question. You can also join my Facebook group. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier, if you are interested. Remember, I am not trying to convince you for my writing correction service. After watching my complete course, all the other courses also, you should start writing your essays, and you should get feedback from any IELTS expert. Remember, this is very important. Before sitting in the exam, before taking the exam, you should invest your money on your preparation instead of just wasting your money in taking the IELTS exam or TOEFL exam again and again, and achieving the same score. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. And at the end, subscribe to get more courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening, and reading also. Thank you very much.